Palantir, PLTR. I'm excited. You should be excited because, man, things are about to rip like crazy. Here we go, Palantir. So, I have said $25 to $30 for the past month now, and people have agreed, people have not agreed, and people have even agreed that it's going to go higher than those prices. Now, analysts are coming out at the last hour and saying, well, we think it might actually be $20, $25 worth, even though, people have been waiting and really afraid to say what's going to happen here. But now it looks like the powers that be, Palantir, that is about to release its quarterlies here within the next 7 days, or wherever you're watching this video, sooner than that. We are about to see Palantir severely take off. Friends, I am excited. So friends, if you're here new with me, you've been here listening to me yap before, welcome back. If not, please hit that subscribe button so we can all keep up with one another and gossip like a bunch of girls about Palantir. Man, I'm excited. I'm so excited right now. So this week, the whole week, really like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they were terrible days. Not so much terrible, but we just weren't really seeing anything. Nothing was going on in the market. Interest rates rose again, and Mitch McConnell left us there for a second. But Palantir closed out this week here at right under an $18 bid price, and on the 19th, breaking over an $18 mark earlier in that day. So huge way to end the market here for this week. And a lot of us think that this is going to be the kickoff. These first set of quarterlies, well, obviously the second quarterlies of this year, but the first set of quarterlies with all these new big deals that Palantir has taken on, that really should show what is going on here and what we can expect in the next, this is really going to show what's coming in the next few years here with these contracts. So this is why you're seeing analysts, you're seeing people, common people like me saying, hey, Palantir here might go to 30, it might go to 50, 100, people even saying $500 within the next year. These are not crazy assumptions when you see what Palantir is doing. It just received over $1 billion in all these new contracts. It's headed for the S&P. It's headed for the S&P here later on this year, more than likely. And one thing that we've seen AI stocks do here in the past few years is severely beat analysts and bulls' expectations and completely annihilate the bears and just run past the bears and the bulls and make their own way. And everyone's trying to keep up. Look at NVIDIA. So obviously Palantir is in the very baby stages right now of what is to come here and just in the next year alone. But it's a very exciting place to be right now for a lot of us, because I know, like me and a lot of other people, we've been putting a lot into this, and this is kind of like the paydays coming up here, like the first big payday to see what could possibly be going on. So what is to come here? So Monday we'll start in the market. It is going to be a whole week in the market, Monday through Friday. I would not be surprised to see Palantir starting on Monday just boom, boom, boom to keep running here. I think we're going to see 20 be broke very soon. It's just going to be like, where did 20 go? Obviously 18's already been accomplished. 19 will be happening here real soon. Like I said, 20. And once we get past this $20 mark, that's really going to be like, okay, that has beat a lot of people's expectations. That's beaten out a lot of analysts' expectations, and whatever is to come after that is really going to be icing on top of the cake. So I've always made an assumption. I really think we're going to see 25 to 30 by quarterlies. Now when these quarterlies come out, if they even meet expectations or blow expectations out of the water, we're going to see some big numbers here. We're going to see double digits compared to where we were even 2 months ago to a month ago, when people were buying this for, just $7, $8. So friends, when you look through right now with articles with analysts and anybody talking about Palantir, pretty much everyone's got a buy rating on it. It's just across the board. Palantir is becoming one of the most talked about, biggest stocks right now, and it's probably going to continue here because, like we've all been saying here, I sound like a broken record, but if these quarterlies, if they do what everyone is expecting them to do, you're not going to be able to catch Palantir. And that's why I've been preaching here for 2-3 weeks now. Like, listen, 14's going to get away, 15's going to get away, 16, 17's going to get away. The fact that we're at 18 now, 18 is probably going to get away from you to where you can be if you're a long-term investor. So, obviously I am a long-term play in Palantir. I'm not selling, trading here and there to make K here or there. I am in Palantir for the long run. I've already put in a chunk of money, and we're just waiting to see what happens here. And that's why I can only say, just be careful where you're buying, selling, because it more than likely is going to get away from people here very fast. Obviously, the talk of the town right now is, AI companies. Everybody is wanting to buy into AI. And that's one big thing that is really pushing Palantir. Not only, obviously, this is a good company you're buying into. You're buying into a company that is starting to come up in quarterlies, getting a lot of attention from small investors, big investors, and big firms now, and other big companies that are wanting to work with them. But the AI market for people that are investors that want to get into AI stocks, Palantir is still affordable at the moment. Now, it may not be that affordable this time next week. We could be talking a different tune. So friends, looking on a chalkboard here, game plan, August 7th, we should see the release of quarterlies, second quarterlies for this year for Palantir. This week, we should start to see big numbers move in for Palantir. Now, we'll probably have 1 or 2 days where we're just having some sell-off days, but it may not even be that. It may not be much. We're expecting Palantir to run here. That's why Friday you saw such a big push on it. Now the 7th, that is Monday, that Monday of August. So this week we could potentially see a Monday, Tuesday be pretty slow, and then a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like this Friday, could be a big push, because Friday's it. Friday is when people are going to be pushing, buying, selling, try to get in and out and get set and take a chance that these quarterlies are good. And over the weekend, we should start to hear whispers about what's going on. Monday could be the biggest we have seen yet. So, friends, with all that said, I truly am wishing everyone the best of luck right now with Palantir. I'm excited. I know a lot of us have been waiting very patiently for Palantir here to really show its cards and see what's going on. And man, I hope the wait was worth it. I really do, for all of us. So friends, let me know what you're doing. Let me know what you think. And I wish you all the best of luck in the world. And I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.